Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide CVO. So this one is black pearl and it has some really cool gold and green flame detail. We've got the Screamin' Eagle intake and the 110 engine. Beautiful flames all the way down the bags. We have speakers on the saddlebag lids. Really comfortable 2-up seat. And all of the speakers are the Boom Audio Stage 2. Heated grips, carbon fiber on the inside of the front fairing and down the center of the gas tank. Heel toe shifter, highway pegs so you can stretch out on a long ride. A couple of like wind deflectors, rain deflectors. Again, 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide CVO. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.